Hey, tech enthusiasts! Buckle up for a wild ride into the future. Right here, right now in 2025, AI robotics is taking the world by storm, and we're diving deep into the mind-blowing world of humanoid robots like Tesla Optimus, Figure AI, and Unitree G1.
From warehouse automation to space exploration, these machines are rewriting what's possible with self-supervised learning, multimodal AI, and dexterous hands. Are they here to help us or replace us? Stick around to uncover the jaw-dropping AI breakthroughs shaping our world and what they mean for you. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech.
Comprehensive report on the latest progress in AI-powered robotics 2025. Executive summary. The integration of artificial intelligence with robotics has ushered in a transformative era in 2025, marked by unprecedented advancements in automation, adaptability, and human-robot collaboration. AI-powered robots are no longer confined to science fiction or research labs. They are actively reshaping industries such as manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, agriculture, and space exploration. This report synthesizes the latest developments in AI-powered robotics, highlighting key innovations, industry leaders, real-world applications, societal impacts, and future trends. Introduction. AI-powered robots combine advanced artificial intelligence, encompassing machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning, with physical hardware to perform tasks autonomously or collaboratively with humans. Unlike traditional robots limited to repetitive, pre-programmed actions, AI robots adapt to dynamic environments, learn from data, and execute complex tasks with precision. The global robotics market, valued at $53.2 billion in 2024, is projected to grow to $74 to $90 billion by 2026, and potentially $178.7 billion by 2033, driven by AI advancements, labor shortages, and demand for automation. AI is propelling robotics beyond pre-programmed automation. A key innovation is self-supervised and continual learning, where robots learn in real time from their environments without constant human intervention. They continuously refine their skills, adapting to new challenges. This is fundamental for creating autonomous systems that can operate in our dynamic world. Google DeepMind's AutoRT and SarahRT systems are a prime example. They use powerful transformer models, originally for language, to interpret the physical world. AutoRT helps a robot observe and decide on tasks, while SarahRT makes the system more efficient for faster, more accurate decisions. Learning is also accelerated by cross-embodiment learning, where robots share knowledge across different hardware, creating a collective intelligence. Open Robotics ROS facilitates this exchange. For example, Boston Dynamics Stretch Robot becomes more efficient by learning from the collective experience of a vast network of other robots. Reinforcement and imitation learning are also critical. Robots like the Unitree G1 use reinforcement learning, trial and error, to master tasks like walking, often paired with imitation learning from human demonstrations. This combination achieves remarkable dexterity. At just $16,000, the G1 is democratizing access to advanced humanoid robotics. These learning advancements are fueling progress in enhanced mobility and dexterity, especially in humanoid robots. Models like Tesla's Optimus, Figure AI's Figure 02, and Agility Robotics Digit are designed with a human-like form. The advantage is immense. They can operate in our environments using our tools without requiring us to redesign our world. Tesla's Optimus features dexterous hands with tactile sensors, allowing it to handle fragile objects with precision. Meanwhile, Figure 02 integrates OpenAI's vision language models for sophisticated reasoning. It doesn't just follow commands, it understands context and explains its actions, enabling natural human-robot collaboration. Mobility is also advancing beyond the humanoid form. Boston Dynamics All-Electric Atlas demonstrates astonishing agility. This isn't just for show, its dynamic stability allows it to navigate treacherous environments like disaster zones where wheeled robots can't go, providing robust, all-terrain capability for manufacturing and logistics. Underpinning these physical abilities is multimodal AI integration, where robots process text, images, and sound simultaneously for a holistic understanding. Figure 02, backed by OpenAI, exemplifies this. It can see what you're pointing at, hear your request, and execute the task by fusing multiple data streams into one coherent action. For high-speed tasks like drone navigation, new architectures like MIT's liquid neural networks are emerging. Unlike rigid networks, these liquid systems continuously adapt, allowing for exceptionally fast, reactive decision-making for drones weaving through dense forests. Natural language processing is transforming human-robot interaction. Integrating models like ChatGPT allows robots like Boston Dynamics Spot to engage in natural conversations, moving beyond simple commands. Users can give nuanced instructions, and the robot can understand, act, and report back verbally. Finally, this AI needs specialized hardware, especially dexterous hands and sensors. An MIT-developed robotic hand uses advanced sensors to identify objects by touch alone with 85% accuracy. This haptic sensing is crucial for tasks where sight is limited, like in murky water, making robots more robust and versatile. Key players in AI robotics. Several companies are driving the AI robotics revolution. Boston Dynamics, known for Spot and Atlas, Boston Dynamics excels in mobility and real-world applications. Their advanced AI allows Atlas to automate complex automotive tasks, while the Agile Spot inspects hazardous sites like power plants, keeping human workers safe from harm. Tesla, Optimus, set for potential 2026 release, targets factory work with a projected cost of $20,000 to $30,000. Its AI leverages the company's deep expertise in neural networks from its autopilot program. Its tactile sensors and advanced software enable increasingly fluid human-like movement. Figure AI, backed by OpenAI, Figure 02 integrates advanced speech and reasoning, allowing it to understand complex commands while aiming for affordability at under $20,000. Unitree, the G1 humanoid, priced at just $16,000, offers advanced mobility and learning capabilities, making sophisticated robotics more accessible than ever. Amazon. With over 750,000 robots, Amazon leads warehouse automation. This vast robotic workforce creates a symphony of human-robot collaboration. Bots like Proteus, Sparrow, and Cardinal streamline logistics, saving an estimated $10 billion annually by 2030 through sheer efficiency and improved safety. Real-world applications, manufacturing, and logistics. Amazon's warehouses, robots like Sparrow, Cardinal, and Proteus handle the demanding tasks of picking, sorting, and package stacking with precision. This system not only reduces delivery times, but also significantly improves workplace safety for human employees. DHL's investment. DHL's $737 million investment in AI-powered warehouse robots enhances logistics efficiency in the UK and Ireland, focusing on collaborative bots that assist employees and improve overall safety. Automotive. In this sector, precision is paramount. Boston Dynamics Atlas moves engine covers autonomously on the assembly line, while Fanuc's AI-driven arms perform high-precision welding for automakers like Toyota, ensuring flawless quality. Healthcare, surgical and elder care. MIT's robotic hand with object recognition has applications in elder care, such as assisting with mobility or gripping objects to promote independence. Surgical robots are also advancing, with AI enhancing precision in delicate procedures by filtering tremors and providing data-driven insights to surgeons. Agriculture. Precision farming. John Deere's See and Spray. Ultimate uses AI vision to distinguish crops from weeds with incredible accuracy, optimizing resource use and reducing chemical runoff into the environment. EarthSense's TerraSentia swarm robots monitor crop health at a granular level, aiding sustainable farming. In academic research, North Carolina State University's AngleNet robot measures leaf angles in cornfields to predict photosynthesis efficiency, helping to forecast future crop yields. Space and exploration. NASA's Perseverance rover. Its AI-powered navigation enables fully autonomous exploration on Mars, allowing it to make scientific decisions and collect data in environments humans simply can't reach. Ocean exploration. Ocean Infinity's Armada fleet maps the vast, unknown ocean floor. These AI-driven underwater drones uncover resources and geological secrets, operating for months in high-pressure, dark conditions. Service and social interaction. Education. AI-powered robots like Sophia attend global conferences, serving as powerful ambassadors for technology and education, as seen at the Straits Times Education Forum 2024. They spark dialogue about the future of human-AI collaboration. The integration of AI-powered robotics triggers a pressing societal debate. Job displacement versus job creation. The economic impacts are profound. A 2019 study found each industrial robot replaces about 3 manufacturing workers, with roles like picking and packing at risk. This raises concerns about economic inequality. However, this technological wave is also a powerful engine for job creation. Companies like Amazon report creating 700 new job categories such as robotics maintenance and have upskilled 300,000 workers since 2020, demonstrating a clear pathway to new opportunities. Beyond the economy lie complex ethical and social concerns. The proliferation of AI-enhanced robots raises significant privacy questions. Autonomous security robots with advanced sensors could create pervasive surveillance, threatening civil liberties if not regulated. On the positive side, safety and accessibility are dramatically improved. Robots excel in dangerous environments, handling not just heavy lifting but also hazardous materials and repetitive tasks that cause strain injuries. Amazon reports lower injury rates at its robotic sites, creating safer, more inclusive workplaces. Looking ahead, several key trends will define the future of AI-powered robotics. First is the rise of humanoid robots. Models like Optimus and Figure 02 are designed to operate in environments built for humans, using our tools and navigating our spaces. They are poised to expand into roles requiring nuanced interaction, from elder care to retail assistance. Another major trend is swarm robotics. Inspired by nature, these systems use large numbers of simple robots that collaborate on complex tasks, from precision agriculture to mapping disaster zones for search and rescue operations. Navigating this future requires proactive strategies. We must invest heavily in education, with governments and companies funding robust upskilling programs to prepare workers for new technical roles. We must also establish clear ethical guardrails. Policymakers must enforce transparency and fairness in AI systems to prevent bias and build public trust. In conclusion, AI-powered robotics in 2025 represents a pivotal moment. Breakthroughs in learning, mobility, and multimodal AI are driving unprecedented capabilities. From Amazon's warehouse automation to NASA's Martian exploration, these robots are transforming industries and redefining human-machine collaboration. However, their rapid ascent demands our careful stewardship. The economic, ethical, and social challenges are as significant as the technological opportunities. By investing in education, demanding responsible regulation, and championing human-centered innovation, society can harness AI robotics to enhance efficiency, safety, and creativity. The future of AI-powered robots is not a story about machines replacing us. It's about reimagining human potential in a world where automation and collaboration coexist.
Wow. What a journey through the AI robotics revolution! From Boston Dynamics flipping robots to NASA's Perseverance exploring Mars, we've seen how humanoid robots, swarm robotics, and ethical AI are transforming healthcare, precision farming, and beyond. But here's the big question. Will job displacement overshadow these advancements, or can we harness NVIDIA Isaac and liquid neural networks to build a better future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What excites or worries you about this tech? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us next time as we explore more game-changing innovations.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future ideas that challenge us to think outside the box. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, and don't forget to always maintain that curiosity that drives progress. Also, explore even more fascinating content on our channel. From life-changing tips and cutting-edge technology, to the mysteries of spirituality, travel to various countries, delicious recipes, health hacks, and language learning, there's something here to spark your curiosity and elevate your life. Dive in and discover a world of knowledge awaits us.